If you pick one out of the 5 AI jobs I want to talk about in this video, I can bet you start to make up to $5,000 in a month, and this can replace your 9 to 5 job, or you use it as a side hustle to make your money from home. You don't have to create a setup, you don't have to have experience. You just go ahead and turn your phone or laptop to a money making machine, as this does not even require coding experience. These are the AI you are already aware of, and just that you don't know what potential, how you can use them to make money. So for the first time you are on my channel, this is your first time you are seeing my videos, and you are already watching it to this point, please go ahead and subscribe, and also go ahead and comment where you are watching this video from, so I can be motivated, and I'm sure that people are actually seeing value in this video. And again, by the end of this video, if you watch the video to the end, please go ahead and also comment you want part 2, as I have more AI jobs that you can do that can actually potentially make you a lot of money and get you that financial freedom you always want. So guys, I'll go ahead and start showing you the potential among the potential platform, how you can go ahead, the different platform that you can use to start these AI jobs, as this is the best job you can actually start right now in 2025, as these are what are making people money, and people are hiding this update. So I will show you guys the updates, and please support me by subscribing to my channel and also comment, so more people can actually see my videos and also earn and gain value from this video. So guys, thumbs ups, and let's get right in the video. Let's start with the earning potential that you can get for each platform I want to talk about. So for the first website, you can get up to $2,000 just by you using the two platform AI I will talk about. While the second one, you can get up to $5,000 monthly payment. Yes, you can make up to that payment. While the third one, you can see right here, you can make up to $6,000 per month just with your AI jobs. And the fourth one is also you can make up to 8,000 monthly. While the last one I'll talk about, you can make up to $4,000 monthly. So let's stick around so we can find out which platform which will fit us, or what you would like to go ahead and try out, so you can start to earn and make up to the potential amount I've already talked about. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe, and this is the perfect time, you can click on the subscription, and let me get into the platform, and I will explain to you step by step. As you can see, there is a lot of money for us to make with AI jobs in 2025. So guys, I will start with the first platform right now. For the first AI job, this platform right here called Prompt Base is actually where we are going to be making a lot of money. As you can see right here, it's called AI Prompt Marketplace. So when I say AI Prompt Marketplace, what type of AI job do you think perfect here? So what you will do here right here is called create and sell ChatGPT prompt. As you can see right here at the trading prompt, which people have created already for people to go ahead and use the prompt to generate what is stated in the description. As you can see right here, ChatGPT image, how you can just go ahead and copy this prompt. These are what people are actually selling on this platform, and I'm very sure you can also do this. You can see text to video prompts. You can go ahead and even use AI to generate this prompt for you to come over to this platform. You sign up, and you can also go ahead and start selling. You can see doing this at your own leisure time can actually be making you money, also an extra income to your 9 to 5 job. And you can have a base on this platform where you can actually be making over 10,000. And you can see right here, it's called sell a prompt. So what you need to do is for you to provide some details about your AI prompt, and you sell with zero fees via your link. You can see, and you get paid via Strip. And you can see right here, the minimum balance is just $30, which means people are actually making more than this. $30 is a very minimum amount for you to make on this platform. You can make over thousands, and with the help of ChatGPT and Cloudy, you can go ahead and make over thousands of prompts and go ahead and sell on this platform. So this is how easy for you to get started and start to make money with this create and sell ChatGPT prompt. It must not be ChatGPT prompt. You can go ahead and use other AI to generate prompt. Just come over here on this prompt base, and sell your prompt to people who need it. Some people does not know how to prompt ChatGPT. They don't know how to prompt AI. So you are there for them and you make money with that. So the next one I'll be talking about is called UGC content creator. So as a content creator, you have been looking for how you can start producing some video, just like a product shorts, testimonial videos, unboxing videos, product in action videos, prototype shorts, lifestyle shorts, but you can come over here and start selling them. So, but for someone who does not have the experience on how to shoot it, you can also use AI, which I'll be showing you the AI that can give you the exact videos that you want, and you can come over here to trend.io. So this in video is what I'm actually talking about. So this is what you are going to use to generate your AI video we just test. So imagine you going ahead and create a AI prompt which you can use on this invideo.io. This is for you to also create an AI video. Just go ahead and tell this AI, create an unboxing video of this type of products. So you can come over here and actually sell it. So what is another platform? This is another platform where you can also go ahead and sign up. So this is where people actually hire UGC creator. So what is UGC creator? This is user generated content. So these are the contents you already generate. So the sign up here is actually free. Just click on join as creator. So when you click as join as creator right here, it will bring you up to this platform where you say get paid to work with brand you love, which means you can use your Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and actually use to get paid. So you can be thinking, how did people on Instagram get paid? So this is how they get paid, by just coming over here and becoming a UGC content creator. So this is how they get paid on their platform, by working with the brand that they love. So you can also do this. You don't have to have a bigger audience for you to get started here. Just come over here as a content creator UGC and you look for your work. You sign up for any contracts, for any photography work, any video content that can actually make you your own money on this platform. As you can see right here, this is actually helping people to make over $1,000 per week. So making $1,000 with just your lifestyle video, where you are working with brand, showing people the products in your video. That's what you just do, or you go ahead and create it with AI. For the third one is called e-commerce SEO specialist, which focus on how you can increase online store visibility in search engines, how you can drive traffic, and how you can also do keyword research. You can see, you go ahead, you search for a store near me, and you can see a store near me. So these are what AI jobs that you start doing for people who also have online store, and this does not even need you to have an experience. Just go ahead on this platform I'm going to show you. You create a profile and follow the guideline I'm going to show you. So the first one I will talk about is called Upwork. So this Upwork right here is for someone who want a long-term or short-term SEO gigs. Just go ahead, you create a profile, you target it e-commerce SEO and AI keyword research. So you can use a portfolio with AI tools like ChatGPT, software SEO, SEMrush, and also search jobs like Shopify SEO, Amazon keyword research. Then the next one I will talk about is called Viver. So we all know Viver as something that you can go ahead and start for a short time. Just go ahead and start telling people, telling clients that you are selling packages like I will optimize your Shopify store using AI. Create 3 packages like basic AI, SEO audits, advanced optimization, tagging, and all. So the third one platform is called people per hour. So what do I mean by people per hour is that these are actually AI focused gigs where you can actually list service like AI power product description, where you can actually do AI driven keyword for your e-commerce or online store. So these are what services you go ahead and sell on this platform also. Why the other platform is called LinkedIn. So we all know LinkedIn as where you can actually do a network and direct reach. So you can go ahead and create a profile, make it as e-commerce SEO specialist with AI power keyword. So you go ahead and search for how you have, or post results like how you have increased Shopify with 300% traffic and others. So what next is called Contra. So for Contra is actually an high-end client for e-commerce startup, where you can actually go ahead and create a clean SEO portfolio and you pitch to DTC brand that, oh, I can do so service for them. And also the last one I'll talk about is called Total.com. So Total is actually a invite only platform where they hire top clients, but you can also go ahead and also make your own money with them. So e-commerce is actually where you can go ahead and focus on optimizing online stores by increasing efficiency. So this actually will be done with AI, and you start to make your own over $5,000 just by doing simple gig. So number four is copywriter. So this will now be AI copywriter, where I'll show you platforms like Jasper.ai that you can use in the place of whatever you are using to write a product description. So right here, you use all these tools to generate your ad copy, product description, job, Instagram hashtag, and all that. And this right here is for free. And how do you make money with this Jasper.ai, which actually give you a free purpose built for your copywriting jobs that you are doing before? Now it is now AI copywriter. So what do you do is for you to go over to this platform, which is called Contraband. So let me go ahead and show you this platform. This platform right here, we actually where clients will go ahead and look for you. So when clients are looking for you right here, you can see right here it's called a new way to work. Clients come over here and look for a copywriter that they can give a job to, or a project, or a contract. You go ahead as the one who wants to be get hired. Go ahead and click on join the network. You see where they can actually hire you for them to promote their products on your own platform, or show you different platforms that you can go ahead and start promoting this. And the platform Jasper.ai have already given a age for you to create the tools for free on its own platform. So guys, this will make you thousands, and don't miss up on this type of job, which is called AI copywriter. So the last one right here is actually the best and the gold mine, where you can actually make a lot of money. So what you do right here is for you to go ahead and turn a long form video into a short form video, and you can also be called a content creator. So just go ahead, get a one long video where you can use this platform right here to turn it into 10 viral clips, and this actually will be more faster. So what you need to do is just come here over here, you make videos any you want, and you click on it, and they help you to actually turn this with the help of AI to spice up your content game. So within few minutes, using AI to power it, you actually make it thousands of money. So go ahead and post it on YouTube, post it everywhere where you can actually make thousands of money. So this actually is best for digital marketers, content creators, education professionals. Just go ahead and do this, and you start to make your own money just by converting a long form videos into a short form videos where people actually will engage more. With the help of AI now, you can start so many videos on TikTok where you go ahead and watch, and you can see how people are being engaged on it. So these are what they do. They use AI to spice up the content, and also use it to catch out on the platform where you can actually post on different platforms, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and make your own ad revenue more. So guys, this is which idea that you can actually do. So finally, here are the five AI jobs. So in summary, the first one is create and search ChatGPT prompt, while the second one is user generated content, UGC content creator, where you use AI video for content creation. While the third one is e-commerce SEO specialist, where you can go ahead and start helping people who have online stores to also generate visibility. Why the fourth one is called AI copywriter, where you can use the free tools on Jasper.ai to write your own product description for a client, and you get paid for that. While the last one is called you turn a long form into a short form, and you're also a content creator, you post it ahead on different platforms, and this also will make it thousands of ad revenue money, as you don't even have to create this content from scratch. So these are the AI jobs you can go ahead and do. So if you give value from this video, so this is the best time you can actually go ahead and comment your opinion, and also tell me you want part two, as I also have like five more for you guys to go ahead and do. And this can is best fit for everybody. Either you are doing 9 to 5, or you want this aside also, or you only have a phone, a mobile phone, or a laptop. You can also turn it into a money making machine for you and for yourself. So these are the strategies people are actually using to make money. These days in 2025, you don't have to you don't have to be stuck in a place looking for how you can be in that financial freedom. So these are the AI jobs you can go ahead and give it a try, and you have a potential of $5,000 to be making every month. So guys, thank you. If you like to subscribe, please go ahead and subscribe and support myself. So if you gain value, also share the video to your friend who is also looking for how they can start an AI jobs, which does not have to be stressful. Use AI to start to make your own money. So guys, thank you for watching.